That was really good.
All
Yeah,
right.
see that?
That's some action, baby. Yeah. Hey, there you are. How's it going, guys? Welcome again. I haven't seen you in a long time. It's been about 6 months. I'm glad you're here, though. This is Chef Marchelini in Cooking Corner with 143 Street Tacos. It's a good day you're here because we're going to do some pulis, some Doritos. You're going to love the way this turns out. Okay, guys? Follow me. Doritos, voy a cocinar some Doritos, la 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 la. All right, look at this Doritos, nice and big and juicy. I'm gonna find a home for them in somebody's stomach. All right, I'm gonna clean them off, and we're gonna make some Doritos. All right, guys, let's get some cheese and some bacon. All right, we're off. Guys, prepped up, guys. All right, prep table ready. All right, amigos, so now shower time. Shower time for our peppers. I'm gonna clean them nice and clean, every one of them. There we go, make sure to give my thorough wash so we can prepare them all for perfection, guys. Thorough wash, make them rub them. All right, whoa. Oh, we lost some in the battle. Okay, guys. And there's two missing in action here. There it is. All right, let's get them started, guys. All right, amigos, so we're back here in the prep table. I'm going to show you the cheese I'm using. This is late used, but as long as it's Monterey Jack cheese, guys, here you go. Get a close look at that one. And it's got to be feather or fancy. That's what it's called, fancy or feather, okay? We're going to get our peppers here, nice and clean. All right, just out of the shower. Muy bien, amigos. And I'm going to show you the ingredients I'm going to use. I'm going to use pork, bacon, and this is going to be about 22 to 18 inches right there. That's what you need for this project, okay? And I've got the cheese here. And it's really simple, amigos. A lot of people tell me how the secret about the pulis. It's really simple. You cut right in the middle here, right there, and you open it up with a spoon and try to take as much seeds as you can. There you go, all the seeds out. Right there, amigos. Just like that. And you get to stuff it with Monterey Jack cheese. And this is up to you. I like to stuff it pretty good, okay? All the way. Not so much where it's spilling out, because you gotta grill this bad boy, okay? That's nice and close stuffed with cheese, amigos. Next step, and this is the important one, okay, guys? You're gonna grab this bacon and the stem and fuse them together somehow like this. And that's how you start rolling with Sierra Vista here, man. We roll, this is how we roll over here. Oh yeah, you go like this, and you go back, and lock it down again with the same stem. That's gonna be your lock mechanism right there, boom. That's nice and tight and ready to grill. So I'm gonna do a few more. All right, another one right here. It's really easy, find a nice corner here. Put that in the middle. Get the spoon, whatever you want to use, a spork. And just dig those seeds out of there, guys. You don't want the seeds. And those veins are the hot ones. You want to take those ones out. you want them hot, just leave the stems in their veins. All right. More cheese right in the middle there. Put it right there. Stuff it all up. And close it up just like that again. And we're gonna seal it. And we're gonna mummify it really. Instead of bullies, they should have called them mummy peppers, right? Yeah, there we go. So you lock it right there. That's the stem. You go down. You can use your own technique, but as long as it's nice and tight, by the time you lock it down again up here, there we go. Look at that. That is nice and tight and ready to grill, guys. Really simple stuff, and this is delicious. This is the top seller I've got right now, okay, amigos? The Bullies Doritos. All right. As you see, I got a few of them right here ready to grill. The next process is going to be the grilling process. I'm going to do 4 for you guys so you get the technique down and know how to roll them, okay, guys? So we're going to move the camera over here, and I'll see you in a second. All right, amigos, so we set up the camera at different angles so you can see the grill here. And I got some bullies ready. This process is the final process. Really easy, just put the bullies lined up like this, enough space so you can roll them around, okay? And you're gonna need these so you can move them around, make sure they don't stick on you. So you gotta move them like this so they don't stick on you. You want the grease from the bacon to do the work, greasing up the grill. Black grill is always good for this one. I use my mesquite fire for the asada and the chicken and other meats. This one is good for my hot dogs and for my bullies, guys. You just shake them like this, make sure they don't stick. You get that fat going. And this is a process that's going to take a few minutes. And what we can do meanwhile this is cooking, a lot of people ask me, hey guys, where did you get the 143 street tacos from? Well, I didn't know what it meant until my niece told me, Senya in high school, they used that to text each other. One letter, I love, 4 letters, you, 3 letters. I love you, street tacos. That's where it came from. When I opened, I was, okay, let's put a naco taco. I'm not. Well, a bunch of names came in, and my niece and I came out with a name, 143 Street Tacos. And I learned English in '91 when I immigrated here with Sesame Street, guys. So that's my logo here. I love Sesame Street, and that's how I learned English, guys. And that's how it came to be, 143 Street Tacos, the logo and the numbers. That's what it means, guys. We started actually making food out of the garage and sell it to our neighbors. And my wife is a beautiful cook. All these recipes are hers. Really, I'm just taking credit over here sometimes. She's a little shy in the camera, but all these recipes are really her recipes, guys. And I would love her to make the videos because she's the original recipe maker. But, you know, you're stuck with me. What can I say? I will convince her someday to give me the green salsa. Okay, that's going to be a tough one. All right, amigos. So I think we're ready to put them on the plate. Now it's very important to let them breathe, let them cool off a little bit. The cheese in there, it is steaming hot. It's gonna burn you, 3rd degree, okay? So let them breathe a little bit. Don't bite right into them. All right, look at that. Do a close up on that. Bacon's still sizzling right there. Oh yeah. Woo. Look at this big, beautiful one. Look at that one, guys. Nice, cheesy. More. Turn this off, and I'll clean this in a second. It needs a deep clean, as a matter of fact. And there you go, guys. Look at that. 4 beautiful bullies ready to go. Let them steam off a little bit, and then bite right into them. You're gonna see the cheese just melt right out of there. Right, guys? Look at that. Delicious. And if you want to improve it, you can actually put a shrimp in there. If you like seafood, you put a shrimp before you wrap it, and it's another ball game right there. You're gonna love that one too, okay? Well, thank you once again for visiting my kitchen, and I'll keep you posted. Maybe some guacamole sauce, maybe some caliche sauce for the next video. Okay, guys? Thank you.